Yeah, here we are. We're live. And before we start, as usual, we're just going to do a quick mic and sound check. All right, the mic on YouTube seems to be working totally fine. Let's check the one on TikTok. Yeah, that seems to be totally fine as well. So let's go, guys. Who's trading with us today? Who have we got trading live? Sorry, guys. Let's just test this one sound. Sound is working. Sound is working, so let's go. All right, every so often we're gonna go. Right, that's it. Sound's working. Let's get ready to work, guys. Let me just double check this. All right, that's better. All right, let's see. Where are we then, guys? Who's with us today? Who's live with us? I'm on a new system at the moment, so that's why. XDS, XDC all day. Yo, brother. Yo, what's happening, brother? How you doing? You all good? I'm gonna switch it up a little bit today. I'm gonna have a look at what NQ's doing. I'm gonna have a look at what S&P 500's doing, and I'm probably gonna have a quick look at what gold is doing as well today. You trading your Bitcoin again? Have you found a trade? No, I've not found a trade. I've literally just come on. I seen one trade earlier. I was looking at this area here. Let me just show you on the 1 minute time frame. As we were pushing up, it gave nice bullish candles on this trade here, but it didn't retrace where I wanted it to retrace, and the trade went without me. So I'm gonna have to learn how to catch these ones where the trade goes without me. I need to figure out what point can I enter into this trade here, because usually my retracement I wait for around here. I would have waited for this fair value gap and this 50% area, but that would have been me in and out of the trade this morning. But it's fine, we're not chasing, so I'm just gonna have to wait for another setup at some point. But yeah, as you can see, London sessions opening up a bit slow and choppy, so it's a bit shitty. Nice G. Have you taken a setup this morning already? I've got a different playlist tomorrow. I've got some different house music that I can play. Crypto's 24/7. Have you taken a setup? Okay, so let's go over onto the 4-hour time frame. Let's have a look at what's been happening on the 4-hour. So you can see on this that this fair value gap is being mitigated and it was respected. So that was yesterday's. Gone the wrong way, but I'll wait for it to come back to give the money back. Okay, I see what you mean. So this fair value gap has been mitigated on the 4-hour time frame, so it doesn't need to be there. So we'll just I'll leave it till about there, just in case price comes into that area again and I know I've got something that I'm looking at. This price here is a fair value gap on the 30-minute time frame. Can you tell me the indicator? Which indicator would you like to know about? Okay, so this fair value gap, yeah, that's a fair value gap on the 30-minute time frame. So yeah, that's already mitigated on the, it's not been mitigated on the 4-hour neither, so that's fine. The ones you are using, I'm only using one indicator, and that indicator is trading sessions. Yep. So if you can see my screen, it's this indicator here, just it's the one that's called trading sessions. So then if I go over onto the 1-hour time frame, why is it suddenly gone on to, oh, there it is. If I go over onto the 1-hour time frame, that's a fair value gap in the 1-hour time frame, so it's not been mitigated. So we'll leave this one open because price can either react from this zone, price can either react from this zone or this demand zone here. So what I might do is I might just bring this down all the way, because we have got a fair value gap with a demand zone that can be reacted to. So we'll wait for price to come into this area and we'll see what price does. Is Tokyo trading right now? No, Asian session's finished right now. Right now we have gone into the London session. Yeah, Tokyo and Asian session finishes around about, let me just tell you the exact time. If I go over onto the 1-minute time frame, the last 1-minute candle that traded was 6:59 a.m. so 7 a.m. Asian session, 7 a.m. GMT is when the Asian session closes. So if you can see, let me see on TikTok. Yeah, you can see the page on TikTok. So all this area here covered in blue, that's the Asian session. Anything that's blank without this blue box, that's the pre-Asian session. And then anything that starts in this orange box, that will be the London session. But that's the only indicator I use, because it tells me the high and low of the session. Okay, let's have a look what we got then. Okay, so let's go back over onto the, let me go back onto the 1-hour time frame. So this is a 1-hour fair value gap with a demand zone. I need to learn how to see fair value gaps. It's easy. Just Google it. I mean, not Google it. Yeah, you can Google it and show you an image of what exactly a fair value gap is. But then you'll get, if you go onto YouTube, there's so many videos. If you go on my TikTok, there's a video on fair value gaps as well. Not all fair value gaps work. It just depends on what price does when it enters into the fair value gap and what kind of reaction you get, and then you can take an entry from that fair value gap. As you can see here, this was a fair value gap on the 1-hour time frame in the what session was that? So that was yesterday's, day before yesterday actually. the London session, New York session, which created this fair value gap. Then yesterday price came into that fair value gap, and then New York session it came into that fair value gap and respected it, and then just continued going up. So today we are here right now. So yeah, this was a fair value gap, but it's been mitigated now. So price has balanced itself out. A fair value gap is where price has an imbalance because price is shot off too fast. They've pumped money into the markets too quick, and trading hasn't been completed fairly. So have a look. So if this area here gets disrespected, we'll put that as a danger zone. That can be a danger zone for now. Okay, so that's a danger zone. So if this area here gets disrespected, so we can tighten it up actually on the 30-minute. It can be a little bit tighter, just like that. A little bit higher. Okay, so that's a danger zone. Price is not being breaking past this area, so it can, if support and resistance traders would trade this like support and resistance, but because I don't trade support and resistance, I wait for either all the stop losses in this area to be triggered and then price to push down. But we'll see what's happening in this area because price has rejected from this area many times already. So yeah, we are just waiting. But if we have a break past it, price might continue pushing up. So we'll most likely come back to fill it. Yeah, that's what happens with fair value gaps. Price usually comes back to fill it. But yeah, it's 8:30 a.m. GMT, and we don't really have many people come on till like about 9:30, 9 o'clock, 9:30. So I just carry on just talking and doing my thing, and then some people join, and then most of the guys join later on, and then they end up keeping me for an hour longer because there's more people that have joined around 9 a.m. 9:30 a.m. so I have to like stay on longer and just chat to the guys and carry on trading, and then I have to proper try hard not to force trade. Okay, so this fair value gap, this one here was inversed. The price continued pushing up. So now let's see what kind of reactions we get in this area here. So what I'm going to do is I've got that marked out on the 30-minute chart. So even if I show you, look, if I drop down onto the 5-minute time frame, even if price pushed up to here, retraced back into this fair value gap, that would have been a nice entry for a push to the upside. That would have been perfect for me. But price started doing some weird shit like it normally does. Pre-London sessions normally quite good, but sometimes you just miss the trade if price is shitty. But then we don't chase the trades, we just carry on, we just let the market do what it's doing. Okay, so price is pushing down in this area with stronger bearish candles, So let's see what price continues to do. Imagine taking a sell if it comes into this area. Stop loss above these highs. And I can target that. That would be nice. That would be nice for me. I would like that. But we'll see what price is doing, because we're not chasing trades. We're not forcing trades. Yeah, that would be better. Risk about $230 to make about 750, say. That would be nice. But again, we just have to wait to see what price is doing. So I think this area here, I would like bigger stop loss, but don't want to risk more than $300. But again, I want to I don't want to actually price can push. So yeah, let's just wait to see what happens in this retracement, and let's see if price can push right back down. Who we got here with us today? Got a few people on right now. So I think this area here is where price would start pushing down, but I need to check my copy trader to make sure my copy trader's connected up. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's flatten all. I've checked the news events, but we'll check the news events again, guys. Okay, so all my copy traders are connected up and ready to go. What are you trading? I'm on NASDAQ. I'm still on NASDAQ. I'm just watching NASDAQ price move at the moment. Come on, this retracement. I would like this retracement to go above it. I might just put the sell on actually, and then we'll see what price is doing. I don't want that to be more than 745 would be enough, so I'll confirm that. That would be enough to pass my challenge phase for take profit trader. But again, I don't like this candle. That would have been nice if that carried on pushing up. NVD. So you're doing stocks. You're looking at Nvidia. Come on, man. We need a nice retracement. And then we need price to start pushing. But again, if this continues going down, price retraces back into this area, then it would still be a nice trade. So I will leave my sell limit there for now and just watch what price is doing. And let's have a quick look at the economic calendar. Maybe I should just keep an eye on my trading as usual, because I always end up missing my trades or something goes wrong when I don't keep an eye on it. Okay, so let's just have a quick look at the news events and the economic calendar for today. Nothing going on. We've had the red folder news at 7:30 a.m. It's gone past 7:30 a.m. We're good to trade. We got no red folder newses until 1:30 p.m. That's a speech, and that can start. That's a European speech where you can still mess with the NASDAQ markets. But if you're trading on prop firms, just be careful around 1:30 p.m. and 3 p.m. Other than that, you're good to trade. 11:45's red folder news, 11:45 p.m. This is all GMT. This is all GMT time, guys. So yeah, from now till 1:30 p.m. you're good. If you're on prop firms, don't trade around 1:30 p.m. and then anything after that, and then don't trade around 3 p.m. So, and if you're on personal accounts, like always, protect your capital, guys. Use a stop loss and don't blow your accounts. But other than that, you're good to trade. Our trade sinker is set up. That's fine. So yeah, we're just waiting for some sort of retracement, and then I want a nice push to the downside. So on the 2-minute time frame, this is a lovely area here for price to retrace into and then continue pushing down. So yeah, just sitting and waiting at the moment to see what price does. But London session's always manipulating, so we'll see what happens. But price can also go into this area here, but then that's where I take my take profit. So that'd be one target area. Price can go into this area here and then continue pushing up. But remember, guys, it's a game of probabilities. Use your stop loss and trailing stop loss wherever needed, and just don't leave your stop losses open, because what symbol? What's the symbol? What's the symbol for what? Nasdaq. XDC. Nasdaq symbol's different on every broker and every prop firm. So it's usually MNQ or NAS 100 or US 100. But if you type in Nasdaq, NASDAQ, it should come up. Okay, so I'm hoping price retraces into this area here and continues pushing down. But then I'm thinking, should I be trading a reversal here? Because we have been pushing up. So am I trading against the trend here, or is it a good place for a reversal? Because we've had rejection in this area many times already. Yeah, let's just do a bit of guesswork right now and just control our stop losses. Control the emotions as well. There's no volume in the markets right now. Very, very choppy. It's not as choppy as it has been the past few days, but it's very less volume. Maybe it just needs to come up here, collect some more, balance the load up, balance out the price, and then continue pushing down. Hopefully that's what I'm thinking it will do. If it doesn't, then we lose one trade, and if it does, we win one trade. And then if price just keeps playing around in this area, we can also break even as well. So win, loss, break even. Do not re-enter again. Analyze your trade, see where you went wrong or see what you did good, and then you look for the next trade. Because what happens is usually you take one trade, so what happens, you take a trade, either you bring your stop loss in too quick and price hits your stop loss, or you lose the trade and price goes against you completely, or what happens is price goes into the green and you just close your trade straight away without letting the trade play out. So you have to try and control your emotions. Smart investment tips: analyze your trade before your trade analyze you. Yeah, that's true actually. Analyze your trade before your trade analyze you. But then again, it's a game of probabilities, so you can analyze it to the best as you can, and even if it's an A+ setup, price can still go against you. So maybe this area here now will be true. Yeah, it's just a game of probabilities. So that's what I always say, because it's a game of probabilities. Even if it's an A+ setup and then you lose the trade, that's when your psychology and emotions start playing up. That's when you start entering in straight away, force trading, size up, try to make your money back and blow everything straight away. So you just got to stay in control. I've done it many times and I still do it now. Like if I get a challenge and I want to pass the challenge really quickly, I'll oversize, over leverage, and just blow the account in one trade. That's because I'm trying to pass the challenge so quickly. Sometimes it works and then sometimes it doesn't. So that's why it's always best, even when you're in a challenge phase. I know you don't want to be on prop firm challenges for too long because there's no incentive in that. You're not making no money from that. But you have to know how to pass the challenge correctly, because you want to trade properly when you're actually funded. You don't want to start oversizing, over leveraging, forcing trades, revenge trading whilst you're on an actual funded stage, because then you've just fucked your account up straight away. You're already lost. So that's why you have to be in control of your emotions and psychology when it comes to trading. And right now this isn't doing what I really want it to do, so I'm not going to close the trade. I'm going to keep my sell limit open, well, my sell limit on, to see if price still hits that area, and then I don't know. Price has been moving a bit weird today. It moved weird earlier on today. I didn't get to catch the trade I wanted to catch, and then price has moved weird again now. So we're just waiting for a decent retracement, guys. Let's have a look how many people we got on. Why did that sound just come? I've not even got a... Why did that sound just come? Because I didn't even have... I didn't even have no notification on. That's strange. Marco, thanks for the 111 likes. Thank you for the 111 likes, Marco. Marco, just hope that we get some sort of nice retracement from this area here. Let's have a look what price is doing. Alright. It's just chopping around here. I don't want it to like just collect some sort of money from this area, load up, and then just continue pushing up. Marco, XDC all day. Thanks for the invite, bro. Haha. Cheers, guys. So let's have a look at the 5-minute time frame. See, that's the thing, on the 5-minute time frame, we've not had a retreat. We've not had a retracement into this area here, and we have been pushing up. So the odds are against us if we're trying to sell here. But had price come into this area and continued pushing, we would have been okay. But because we're on a clear uptrend, as you can see, we've been pushing up all night. Slight retracements, pushed up again, and I'm just thinking, is price going to be just coming down into a discounted area and then start pushing back up, because it's coming into this 50% area here? It's going to be a bit of a risk trade, but this red area that I've marked out at the top is... No, this is not Bitcoin. This is NASDAQ. I'm trading NASDAQ at the moment. So this area, it hasn't come into the 50%, but if it does respect this fair value gap here, can you see it on the TikTok screen? Yeah, if it respects this fair value gap here and continues pushing up, we can possibly break past this whole area. So is putting a sell here the right thing to do? 2-minute time frame saying yes, but the higher time frames are slightly saying no. Let's have a look at this screen here. A 5-minute time frame, it looks like a retracement. Oh guys, I don't know. Sorry. Okay, cool, nice. Cheers, mate. I like the indicator, is really good. Remember guys, it's not about the indicators, it's about analyzing the charts only, and then just removing the indicator when you can, because you don't want to leave a lot of mess on the charts. So this is a Fibonacci retracement tool, so I'm just waiting for price to come into a discounted area before I can take a buy. But right now I don't know. I'm in two minds whether I should close this sell limit, or if I should continue leaving the sell limit open and see if price starts pushing down. But overall we are in an uptrend, and I don't know if we should. I might just risk this one. I can risk one trade to see if price comes into my sell limit and then taps me in, and then let's see what price does after that. It all depends on what price is doing when it comes into this area here. Hopefully it goes into that area there and then just doesn't continue going down without us. But we are in an uptrend, so price can continue pushing up. Which is what I don't like at the moment. So I'm hoping for price to come into this area here and continue pushing down. Otherwise, my analysis is not incorrect, but because I do know why price can continue going down, but I also do know how and why price will continue going up. It's all about this area here. Let's have a look. Let's just let the trade play out. If it comes into our area, we let the trade play out. We'll see what happens. It's very close to tapping us in. But on the 2-minute time frame, will this area get disrespected or respected? This fair value gap. Is this ES? No, it's similar. It's Nasdaq. Gaza Jesus. It's Nasdaq. Are you currently trading the ES? Yesterday I didn't trade all day, and then I went on to the S&P 500, and I had like a spare challenge, and I thought, do you know what, let me try and pass this challenge real quick, and I blew the account in one trade. That's what I was talking about. It was about over trading, force trading, just putting an entry in where I shouldn't even bother putting an entry in. Just such a random stupid trade. I thought, let me just pass this challenge in one go and then I'll be funded for today. It just didn't work out right. I've done it before in the past many times, just sometimes your luck runs out. So because people know there's a lot of people, because smart money knows there's a lot of people waiting to enter here, sometimes price can massively just boost up and go towards our stop loss straight away. So we need price to break past this area here. If price can continue pushing down to break past this area, we're good. If it doesn't, then it looks like we've lost this one. But either way, it's fine because we just have to wait calmly and patiently for the next trade. In holding a long one. Yeah, do you know what? We are in a bullish uptrend at the moment. So holding a long is a good thing. Just depending on what price does in this area right here. We have got like a resistance zone on the NQ. That's why I'm taking this entry, because I was waiting for some sort of reaction. But it looks like I'm going to have to close this trade early, because even if it just goes into my area, because it's not like 100% A plus setup for me. So I'll see what price does in this area here. That is the fair value gap on the 2-minute time frame. So yeah, let's see what price does now. And then if it's just going to continue pushing, then it looks like this trade will just go against us, because we are on an uptrend anyway. So but then what will happen around here is price will start rejecting again, and then I'll be crying saying, no, I should have just left my trade on. It happens, it's trading. As long as you do your analysis and you trade towards your game plan, you're totally fine. So you have your risk to reward ratio, your win rate. So you know if you're okay losing an X amount of trades and you're okay winning X amount of trades. It's fine, brother. Stay disciplined. God bless. Yeah, that's right. Thank you so much. It's all about staying disciplined and just trading to your game plan. Not oversizing, not over leveraging, and not risking too much on your trades and blowing your accounts. That's the main thing. Yeah, that price on the 2-minute time frame. Yeah, so if we have strong bearish momentum now, then you can say, okay, it looks like price may continue to push down. But if, yeah, true, very true, Marco, it's true. Just stick to your game plan. If you have bullish push here, then that will say, okay, that looks like this area is not going to be respected and price is going to continue to the upside. Hey guys, who's trading right now? Who's in a trade, and what trade are you guys in right now? Oh, let me check my copy trader as well to see if the copy trade's going across all accounts or just one. Yeah, copy trade is going across all accounts. So good, but it's not good if I don't win the trade. So every time you can see the price is closing slightly higher than each candle. So that's just indicating price is pushing up. Okay, so let's see what happens in this area here. Let's see what price is going to do in this area here. Yeah, I'm not liking the way price is moving right now. I'm definitely not liking what price is doing right now. Especially when bearish candles start closing like this. Then you're like, That's just shit. Because that indicates there's just buyers in there at the moment still. Hey guys, how you doing? Who's trading with us today right now? I really didn't want my opening trade to be a losing trade today right now. So I'm just hoping this kind of starts reversing back to the downside. What are you exactly trading? Muzzy, basically what happened was I was waiting for... Let me just show you. So I know we're clearly on an uptrend at the moment, and I know trading against the trend is wrong, but I'm just trying something because on the 30-minute time frame, price has been rejecting this area here, as you can see. Yeah, and this is a supply zone down here. So I was thinking if we get some sort of change of character on the lower time frame, that price might start pushing back down again, as this area, we've had a lot of rejection from this area. But what I should have done is waited for some sort of liquidity sweep and not entered in straight away, because we are on an uptrend. But it is what it is. I've entered. But the only next thing is not to force another trade as soon as this one stops me out, or hopefully price can just continue pushing down and then I can just close it on a break even or something, because just not liking what it's doing. Oh, sorry, what are you like trading? Oh, I'm trading Nasdaq at the moment. I'm trading Nasdaq at the moment. Don't usually trade until London. It's me, G. We're in London session right now. Yeah, this one's going straight to the stop loss. Boom, we're going to take one loss today. Oh, cool, man. Market seems to be... Yeah, market's very slow at the moment. And it's horrible and choppy. It's not reacting to zones where it should be reacting to zones. So that one just stopped me straight out. To be fair, I shouldn't have really entered in that area anyway. So that one trade is my fault. So I'm going to have to journal that one and figure out why I was trying to go. I know exactly why I was trying to sell, but I was going against a trade, and I need to figure out why I was going against a trade. But then again, this is still a supply zone and price can still do anything. I like it to be open an hour to see where market is going. Okay, I see. Yeah. I like pre-market London session, and then I like to see if I can catch an entry early London session, because usually sometimes you can, and this would have been it if it played out, but obviously price went against me. Lower your entry, brother. Muzzy, yes, you're right. So let me just show you now. If I go over onto the 5-minute time frame, this is what I was expecting to happen, but I was just wondering that we might have a rejection. So this is price. This is where price pushed up, retraced almost near to the 50% area, respecting this fair value gap. Didn't really tap into it, but it respected it. So price continued pushing up. I should have taken a buy, but I didn't. I was thinking that we might catch a reversal, but that's why they say don't never trade against a trade. Trade against the trend. It always does. It always does. But you just got to make sure you don't force trade straight after you take a loss. You got to like just hang in there. Don't be greedy. So right now, we know price is pushing up. We need to see if this area here. No, I'll just leave that on still, so I know that that is an area where we're getting a lot of rejection. So yeah, I'll just continue seeing what happens. If we get a retracement, I might go in for a buy next. But it all depends on the next retracement, because we have had a break of structure to the upside. So this here has broke structure to the upside. Just analyze. I honestly lost a lot. I can't afford it anymore. What have you lost a lot on? Have you lost on personal accounts or prop firms? No, gold ripped me off. Yeah, I see what you mean. It happens. It happens to the best of us. So we've had strong push up, which was expected. So I can't complain or be disappointed about it. Now, why is the... Oh, that's the 5 minute. Okay. Okay, so... Let me go on to the 1 minute time frame to see what's happening. Would be nice if you could catch a buy. It's me. Yeah, I agree. Muzzy, I should be paper trading to test your ability. I don't have an actual strategy. I just follow trends and new trades. Yeah, you really you should have a strategy, because you need to know your win ratio. You need to know how many trades are you able to lose and still stay profitable. So, and you got to follow one strategy. You can have a couple of strategies actually, but one A+ setup, and then you should be able to trade that setup at all times. If I don't find an entry today, then I'm not going to be taking another trade today. Then I'll go onto my Top Step account and trade from the Top Step account. I'm learning institutional order flow. Yeah, order flow is the one. Where are you learning institutional order flow? Is it online? Muzzy, anyway, brother, catch you soon. All the best. See you later, Muzzy. Take care. Is price going to come down and continue pushing up, or gold sell? Let's have a look what you're saying. No, gold is also changed character and broke structure to the... Oh, actually, it's in the... Yeah, you're right. It is bearish. So this price actually... Yeah, but the price has come into the 50% area, unable to break structure to the downside and continued pushing up. So I possibly wouldn't take a sell on the gold at the moment. Done exactly what the damn NQ's doing. I think gold goes to 4,600. I'm in from low of day. Okay, Wick. can't actually figure out what price is doing. The way we're getting such shitty choppy candles. We are pushing up. We are pushing up at the moment, but this can continue pushing up. Actually, I should have taken a buy instead of selling that area. I should have followed market structure. Going against the trend wasn't an ideal trade. I got lucky as fuck though. I'm only in 5 micros on gold. What method you trade? I look at the higher time frame. I just follow market structure, and then I mark out my points of interest on the higher time frame, and then I wait for price to go into the points of interest. I drop down to the lower time frame. I try to see a change of character or market structure shift. I wait for another confluence like order block, fair value gap or something, and then I take my entry. Today I tried to take a reversal where it wasn't really a reversal. It was just more of a retracement and shot myself in the foot. So what about you? It's me, G. What about you? You saying you trade institutional order flow. Where are you learning that? That's order flow is the one. Order flow is really good actually. I do look at the daily candles to see which way market's been going. I then look at the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute. Mark out all the points of interest. Even then the 15 minute, and then I drop down lower into the lower time frames to see what if I can catch a nice sniper entry. Yeah, price is still very choppy for me to even look into entering another trade. Okay, between NQ and ESC, one induces the daily highs. See, yeah, I don't. Maybe we can get a rebalance. Yeah, I see what you mean, but I don't trade that way. I just look at one or the other. I don't compare the two and do SMC or anything like that. But fucking hell, markets are moving so slow. Oh, I see, that makes sense. See, if you see what I was trying to do, we had a push up and we had a push down, changing the character, but really as price hadn't retraced back in to 50% or below, I shouldn't have entered, because that was like an aggressive entry. I should have waited for price to push up, push down, and then look for an entry. But price continued pushing up and stopped me out, so I shouldn't have entered where I entered. But then again, we learn and then we make the same mistake again. It happens in trading. How many markets do you trade? I just trade the one. Okay, 1 second. I just trade the one market. I trade the Nasdaq. I sometimes look at ES and I sometimes look at gold, but mainly I just stick to the one market. What about you? What markets do you trade? It's me, G. Wick, yeah, London has been moving too mooky recently. It's iffy. Yeah, I don't like the way it's been moving. It's been moving so shit. Even pre-London market, you can't even catch a nice trade in pre-London market. Sometimes you can, but today was just today was far. today was like no, today wasn't even that. I need to get the sound. That's what I need to get. Yeah, it just continues chop higher. Yeah, I know what you mean. We're still in an area where these stupid support and resistant traders can come in. Look, right down here. As you can see, this area here, price has just been rejecting from that area there. We're back into that area, same area. So that's where I thought I might be able to catch some sort of reversal, but it was a fake out. So yeah, I got caught out. It's all right, it happens. So we're just gonna mark out that area, because then I'm gonna know that that area is a danger zone. Shouldn't be pissing around in that area like I was, but it is what it is. It's only one trade, so we're not gonna cry, because the next one we catch, we're gonna run it up. So this is the danger zone. I love marking out my danger zones because you can catch some nice reversals from there. So if you get a liquidity sweep from here, so if price pushes all the way up, because there's loads of stop losses sitting here right now because of support and resistance, as you can see, you get a massive liquidity sweep and then price pushes down, then you know you're going to catch some sort of reversal. But if you get a break and close above this area, ooh, we might just continue pushing up and creating new highs. So I'm just gonna leave price like this. I'm not forcing no entries. Wick, yeah, it continues to chop higher. Wick, I hope you catch something nice. Remember, don't force yourself. I fell victim to it Sunday. What were you trading on Sunday? Was it Bitcoin? Yeah. I don't force the trades no more. I just leave them. I'm just like, if I think I can see something and I can somehow enter, making it make sense somehow, then yeah, I'll try and take an entry. Otherwise, I won't just randomly just enter a trade. Like here, just say, okay, I'm going to buy now or I'm going to sell now straight away. Until I don't get some sort of confluence, I don't enter into a trade. I might take a look into instead of continue trading on this account, I might take a look into my Top Step account and see if we can trade on Top Step, because I'm so silly on Top Step. So guys, this is what I did on Top Step. Yeah, if you can see, let me do it so that you can see on YouTube and on TikTok. So on my Top Step account, profit target was $3,000. I didn't check to see if there's a consistency on our Top Step account. So what I did was I made $3,000 in one day, over $3,000 in one day. And then I was like, okay, yep, I passed. I can now start making some real money. So on Friday, I thought I passed, and I thought Monday I can start making some real money. So yesterday, so when I came back onto Top Step account, it said I didn't trade consistency, so I made more than what I was supposed to make. So you can't make more than $1,500 a day, otherwise you have to do the whole thing again. So I made $3,000, and then up here you can see consistency target, best day exceeds 50% of your profit target, so additional profit needed. So because I made $3,000 already, it said now I need to make $3,500. I have to make $1,500 a day to pass my challenge. So I did $1,400 yesterday. So now you can see I'm back $54,502 in the account balance. So I'm $4,502 up. But it's annoying because, yeah, I thought I had smashed it, but now obviously I have to do it all again. What is this on? This is on NQ as well, so see what price is doing. I can end up taking an entry on all of the accounts if I can find a nice area. So here we are. You guys see that? It looks a lot better pink and black, doesn't it? I might actually change my this one to pink and black too, but we'll see. I study to trade 6 forex pairs: gold, silver, oil, Nasdaq, S&P. Wow. So you're trading the 6 major pairs. Is it 6 or 7 major pairs or 8 major pairs? Yeah, so anyway, 6 forex pairs you're trading: gold, silver, oil, Nasdaq, S&P. So are you a CFD trader? Are you trading CFDs? Sunday market, I wanted to short into opening gap. It went my way but completely reversed. Yeah, it happens. Okay, so what's this trying to do now? Is this trying to tell us now we've started to reverse? Or is it another fake out? Because it can be another fake out, because NQ loves to fake shit out all the time. So that fair value gap's inversed. Okay. So we got inverse fair value gap here. All depends on what price is doing around this area here. Don't know if don't know if I want to go for a sell. I study to trade 6 forex pairs: gold, silver, oil, Nasdaq, S&P. So are you a CFD trader? Are you trading your own personal funds, or are you trading CFD prop firms? Because forex is CFD prop firms. So this possibly can be a... Yeah, but the first one was a faker, so you don't really want to... Yeah, you don't really want to. So imagine if you had some sort of rejection here, if price continues pushing up. Yeah, that would have been nice if price continued pushing down. But it can also be another fake out. So I'm not quite sure what price is doing down here. You're trading your own funds at the moment. Okay, wicked. How long you been trading? It's always best to trade your own funds, because then there's no rules and shit like that. Fuck! Who's followed? Someone's followed and I didn't catch it. Let's have a look if I caught it here. Sent me a heart. Oh, someone sent a heart. Oh, thank you for the hearts, guys. Oh man. Can't figure out what price is doing or what it's trying to do at the moment, so we'll just wait. Hit this one out for a moment. Because we can just have a lot of fake outs. That's what I don't want. Because everyone thought price was going to continue pushing down here. And then until you don't have a clear change of character, market structure shift, or a break of structure, you shouldn't be entering in those areas anyway. But sometimes you just have that urge to just be in the markets. You just want to be a part of the trading. You just want to force yourself into the markets. You want to be a part of Naja 315, it was me. I followed. Hey, how you doing, Naja? Are you trading with us right now? And if so, what pair are you trading? Yeah, so look, this couldn't be also another fake out because we thought there would be some sort of reaction here and price continues pushing lower, but price has come back up. So there is some fake outs going on, guys, so you got to be very careful at the moment. I'm going to continue keeping an eye on the trade. We might actually catch something, but don't know. I don't know. So until I don't see something nice, I won't be trading on the top step account. We're back into the danger zone again. As you can see, this area here, this is where the support and resistant traders trade from. So they'll all be in their cells at the moment, but the stop losses have not been triggered because let me just take you onto the 1 hour time frame. All the stop losses have not yet been triggered because the stop losses are above these highs down here. Price should hopefully push above here and then we get some sort of liquidity sweep, because if we look left, we've not really got much to go from because we're on all-time highs, so there's nothing really to the left. And what we have got to the left is just this shitty resistance area which we don't like. So all we can see is either price breaks past it and continues pushing up, or if you get some sort of liquidity sweep here and then price starts to push down. But yeah, there's not much to go off at the moment. Let's have a look at the 15-minute time frame. Again, price has just been chopping sideways. Let's have a look what happened here. The price pushed up, retraced. See, I shouldn't have took a trade because it didn't come below the 50% area. And it didn't retrace. No, it didn't give me a good market structure shift for me to even try to take a sell. So yeah, that was my mistake. I need to journal that and make sure I don't make them shitty mistakes again, because they're just shit. Price pushed up, retraced down to a 50% area, pushed up. So we need price to come lower, give us a nice retracement, and then we can continue pushing down. Until we don't see a clear reversal and some nice confluences, we shouldn't be entering into a trade. Is the music stopped or is it still going? We're getting a lot of fast, but it's not showing me who's following today. That's strange. Oh, let me close that. Let me open that. Gold. Yeah, so usually it shows me in the middle who's followed and who's not. But yeah. Drop me a message in the comment section to let me know if you followed me. All right, so we got the music back on. Is the mic working okay? Yep, the mic's working fine. It's me, G. I just followed. Thank you, G. Thank you for following. I'm not quite sure why it didn't show up on my screen. I'm gonna have to check that out shortly as well. Unless I can follow and unfollow myself and just see if it's working. Okay, let's see if it goes. Bah! Oh yeah, it does show me who's followed and who hasn't followed. Okay. Okay. I couldn't just catch it on my screen because my screen size is a bit smaller on there. So let me just hold tight. Let me just sort this out. Okay, I need to follow and unfollow myself again. I need to check that's working correctly. So now, if it did show when he did. Okay, let me just do it again. Oh, okay. Thanks, guys. Haha. Thank you. It's just my screen then not showing me, but it seems to be okay now. That's working fine. Yeah, we still can't seem to be getting a decent trade. NBL no king, thank you. Is it NBL no king or NBL knocking? Got to go. It's 4 a.m. here. I'm tired. Nigel, where are you from? Where is it 4 a.m.? Don't tell me you're in New York at the moment. In the US. Yeah. Yeah, catch some Zeds. No king. Okay, no king. Bye. See you later, Naja. Take care. Thank you for following. We're going to continue waiting for a trade. And there's nothing still. Nothing. Am I going to catch a trade today or not? I don't look like I'm going to get one. Went to the stupid trade, got a stupid result. That's what happens. Thank you for the 1,000 likes. Wow. $1,104 likes. Thank you. Come on, guys. We're in a danger zone in trading at the moment and nothing's happening. So we're not even sure if we're getting any sort of reversal or if the support and resistance traders have kicked in or what. Price is just moving so slow. Now I'm started to feel a bit bad why I took an entry where I did take an entry just to catch a loss. That was so stupid, where I should have entered for a buy because we were on an uptrend. Oh my god, I can't believe it. The only thing I can do is put that into my journal now and not do that same shit again. Yeah, I'm going to refigure this whole shit out. 1 second. Let me put my 30-minute chart down here. That works better. So much better. Let me put my OBS recording system at the top with TikTok. Now I can see everything better. Wow. No King's killing it on the likes. How's the fib retracement showing? Fib retracement's showing nothing right now. Fib retracement should have been here like this, from the swing low to the swing high. We're having some sort of wick rejection here, but is price going to just come back into this area and then continue pushing back up again? That's what we don't know. Until I don't get no clear confluence, I can't enter into a trade. So this is why they say trading is boring, guys. You have to just wait for a nice perfect setup before you can enter. So we're just waiting. Wow, 1,800 likes. Damn, you're killing it. Killing it. I can't believe why price is so choppy. This beat's quite good. It's nice chilling. Wow, 2,100 likes, killing it. $2,207 likes. Wow, your finger not hurting, bro. I hate sat waiting. That's why I move between a few markets. Oh shit, just dropped my earpiece somewhere. Let me have a look. 1 second, guys. Damn, it's all the way down there. Are you guys getting an echo, or is it just me? Because I'm not quite sure what's happening with my sound. Yeah, the music's really cool. All right, let's try something different now. Let's try. The market's not doing shit right now, so let's just see if we can change anything here. Yeah, let's make them that color today. Let's make the borders that color today as well. Wicks can stay black. So of the 1 minute, let's enter like this. I think that looks quite cool. That don't look too bad. It's too red. Let's have a look if there's anything pinkier. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. Or was purple okay? Alright guys, we can't currently find a setup at the moment. We've taken one loss for today, but we don't want to take another loss. So I'm either looking to win my loss back, which is only a couple of $100. It's nothing major, but I need to try and get that win back and break even, or have a winning day for today. But if I don't see what I'm looking for and I don't catch a good trade, I'm not gonna take the entry, because I don't want to force trade, revenge trade, just to try and make that stupid loss back and then lose more money. So that's why you have to be staying in control of your emotions and your psychology, because you don't want to revenge trade and force trade. So let's see what's happening in this area right now. Yeah, let's just leave it like that, because my Top Step account is currently like that anyway. So yeah, let's just leave it as it is. Come on, man, we're looking for some nice entry and the markets ain't doing shit. Right, let me go get myself another drink. You guys gonna go for a tea break? Guys, just go have a tea break, coffee break, make yourself a hot drink, get a cold drink, or do something, because the markets are moving so shit right now. All right, guys, markets are still just chopping around where they're chopping around. I thought after I have a little break, the markets would have done something, but these markets ain't done shit. All right, let's have a look. Might be time to change the music soon as well. Getting fed up with the same tunes. Let me have a look up here if I can change the music. Sierra, yes, I'm on MNQ at the moment. Yep, it's MNQ. Best account manager. I have 99% sure signal and powerful scalper strategy available. Link in bio. You carry on, bro. You carry on. Do what you gotta do. Damn. Markets are moving. Lame, bro. Can't believe it. It's me, G. Yeah, best account manager. Bro, you're gonna be managing that, blowing our accounts. We be crying when we lose all our money on there. Thank you, Sada. You know, guys, the best wife in the world brings me my tea. And it's Sada. Go make me some food now. I'm just joking. Yeah, look. The best wife in the world brings me tea in my teacup that my sister bought me, saying, best bro ever. All right, let's go. Still can't see nothing at the moment. Price is moving. Shit. All right, there's some sort of movement. There's some sort of movement happening. Some sort of something. But I hope it's just not a retracement, because then that will just be the most annoying thing ever. We need a few strong candles to the downside. Then hopefully we can start looking for some sort of sell. If there is a sell reaction, this could just be chopping around, creating liquidity and then just pushing back up to the upside. So we have to be very careful when we're trading. And I need to set my stop loss to the previous candle sizes. Big drop on gold now is there, so that's why Nasdaq is chopping around like crazy at the moment. So yeah, some of these little signal sellers are little bastards, you know. Sometimes they actually are right. But best account manager, you didn't tell us that gold is dropping. Somebody else mentioned gold was going to drop earlier. Let's have a look how much it's dropped. Let's have a look. Let's go over to gold. Ooh, it's not really a big drop. It could be a retracement into this gap area here. There is a gap, so price can react from... Where is it? Let me just bring it back. Price can react to this area here. It looks like a big drop. Why is my gifting suspending? I'm not even gifting nobody. How the hell can my gifting be suspended? What are you talking about? I don't take gifts. I don't give gifts. TikTok is just so silly sometimes. Yeah, this can just be a retracement, this one here. Yeah, TikTok's always doing some dumb shit, but yeah. Yeah, gold could be a retracement, because look, we've had a push up, break structure to the upside. We slightly broke structure to the downside. We've pushed back up again, breaking structure to the upside. So it could just be a retracement and a continuation, or if this continues pushing now and continues dropping, then yeah, then you can start looking for sells. All depends on what happens right now in this area. Yeah, you might want to keep an eye on that if you're trading gold. This is so annoying right now. Oh, I just don't want to put on a risky trade neither. I'm so like, my fingers just want to go tap, tap, and just enter into a trade for no reason. But yeah, we can't do that. We really can't. It's all about patience and controlling your emotions, controlling your psychology. We can't just start tapping shit for no reason. This is like the biggest killer in trading. See, a lot of people would have seen this big bearish candle closed like that, and then they would have just started entering sells, and then just price just goes against it, and then it would have just stopped so many people out here in this area already. So you have to have a decent entry, but because price is still chopping around, we can't really enter into a trade. For scalpers, I feel sorry for scalpers, because scalpers are getting stopped left, right, center right now. Anybody else trading Nasdaq? If so, give us a shout. Let's have a look at ES, see what ES is doing. Let's do micro ES. See, look, even on micro ES, at this area here being respected, possibly you could have caught a nice trade to the downside, but that's the trade that I took a loss on today. So we all know why I ended up taking a loss on there, because it was just a retracement on the higher time frames. So it respected this area here. This is the area here that got respected, and then price continued pushing back up. So if I had taken a buy there, I would have made some good money. I would have been in and out of the trade quick. So let's just go back to Nasdaq, because everything's chopping right now. Why have I not got micro ES? Micro SMP here. Why have I not got that there? I'm gonna take another sell, guys. I think I have to, even though it didn't come into my area of interest. God damn, price is not moving how I want it to move. I can't take a sell. Technically I can if I want to risk it, but will price react to do this to this zone down here and then just continue pushing up? That's what I don't understand, and that's why I can't enter into a trade right now. Sierra, I'm on a sell. Wow, okay, what are you selling on? What are you trading right now? Yeah, you're right. It's me, G. Major battle between the buyers and sellers right now. There sure is. There sure is. Just can't enter in a choppy market. That's all I can't do, because we've taken one loss today and I've not liked it. I didn't like the loss that I'd taken. Piss me off. Are you trading prop firm, Sierra? 6 micros. So let's have a look. 6 micros. 6 micros. La la la. And how much are you risking on the 6 micros? How much money are you risking? 100, 150, $200. Apex PA account. Okay. Nice. No, you can't figure out what's going on here with the buyers and the sellers. You're right. I just passed the account. 100 for now. Yeah, Sierra. Well done. You've passed your funded account. If you're risking $100 for now, perfectly fine. Just go for your payouts. Take out your money. Even if you're making 1 to 2s, that's $200. 1 to 3, that's $300. 1 to 4, that's $400. Keep making your money. But if you're saying you're on a sell at the moment, price has just gone against you. So where are you selling from? Have you broke even, or did you let it break even? I went out with $56. Okay, cool. That's good. So you broke even in profit, yeah? That's good. Because we can't figure out what price is doing at the moment. Win-win. Keep going, Sierra. Well done. If price is going to continue doing this, then we're just going to have to start looking for buys. But again, price is chopping from that one area. Do you really want to buy, or do you want to wait for this area to get invest completely before we can start looking for sells? Are you winning, son? Today I am down $300. But we're still not looking for a forced trade, and we've not. That trade happened around about 9 a.m. So I've not forced traded or revenge traded or anything. I'm just waiting for another perfect setup before I can continue to look for another trade. Blew my new funded with this PA. Are you on Apex PA as well? A7 Medinio. Sierra, I think it was going. I think it wants to go up to 27965. 2796. Okay, yeah. I've marked out that area as well down here. Blew my new funded yesterday higher end. Okay. Yeah, I'm contemplating whether I should enter a buy here, but I'm not 100% sure. Should I or should I not? Because price did what is needed to do here, couldn't break past this area again, and price is slowed down as usual. So where do I enter? I don't know. A7 Medinio, you had a new funded account, so what was the reason for you to blow your funded account? Why did you blow your account? Because I know price action, this kind of price action makes everybody want to enter into a trade for no reason. And yeah, you know, you shouldn't enter into trades without a confluence. Right now, price didn't even come into, yes it did actually. Look, you look from the top of that wick to here, price came into a 50% area and then pushed up. So we got like a discounted price, not a best discounted price, but it still got a discounted price before it continued pushing up. But we're not getting a break of, well, we've had a break of the candles, but we've not had a break of this wick. So we ideally want it to close above there, but we'll see what price is doing because it's chopping and moving up. We don't actually know what it's doing. Sierra 27924 is the 50% of this consolidation, will be a good entry to buy. 27924, 27924. So you're looking around about here. So you're saying this. So basically you're looking at this. There, you're looking there. So that's that 50% of this leg. Yeah, it can, but it all depends the way price is moving, because it's creating support and resistance zones. We don't know if it's just sweeping liquidity and then, but we need a clear break of structure before I enter in for a sell. But I didn't get my clear break of structure to the upside neither, because I wanted it to break that candle wick to the upside. Then I would have been like, okay, the candles are just not, they're not smooth as well. But you might be right. Are you going to go for a buy here? Bro, I was copy trading A7 Medinio. I taken one loss today across 2 accounts. Sierra, are you looking to take a buy in this area down here? Because that's coming to your area for a buy. This is your area here right now. Okay, enter your buy then. And let's see. It might be smooth. Are you trading from the 1 minute time frame, Sierra? It's gonna take that low probably. Don't know what it's gonna take. I just don't like price action. Don't like the way price is moving. Yep. Keep pushing. Sierra's gonna go for the money. What you think New York PA gonna be? By PA, what do you mean by PA? The New York buyers? Sierra whacking 713 likes. Thank you. Price action. But price action always gets a little better in the New York. It depends how the market's open, right? So if pre-market you get a decent move anyway, that's going to be in the next couple of hours. But it depends. It can be, you get a lot of volume, no doubt about that. But is that volume going to come with good price action? We don't know, because that volume can come with very, very choppy price action as well. So you have to be very careful. You have to bring your contract size right down when you're entering on the New York session. I didn't like the way that closed. Horrible. A7 Medina, because it's 5 a.m. for me. New York in 4 hours. I'm debating if I should wake up. A7 Medinio, where are you from? Where do you live? Come on, Sierra. Are you still in the trade? You didn't close your trade, did you? Toronto. Oh, yeah, you're Toronto. You're the one that's next to Brampton, ain't you? I'm in. Good luck. Ooh, I didn't like that. What happened there with that candle? Sierra, where's your stop loss right now? How far is driving distance from Toronto? 27909. Ooh, so you're still fair. You're down here. Okay. You're still pretty safe at the moment. Wow, who's trading at 5 a.m.? Blurry screen. Yeah, that is. And then you wake up with a fucking blown account. You're still safe, Sierra. Depends on traffic, because a lot of traffic in here. Oh, okay. You know, amount of people around the world that contact and message on TikTok, it's unbelievable. Get people from all over the world. Like half an hour with no traffic. Wow, half an hour with no traffic. Yo, that's very, very close, isn't it? I thought Toronto would be like really, really far away. But you're saying half an hour with no traffic. That's like very close. Yeah, you're good right now, Sierra. Had I put an entry in, I think my stop loss would have been very tight. So had I put an entry in for a buy, if I had put an entry in 27924 around there, now my stop loss would have been around about here. Take profit about there. So I would have been like shitting my pants right now. But Sierra's still quite cool. There I have my sell limit 27939. 279. Oh, okay. You've got a sell limit on down here. So you're selling if price comes. Oh, so if price comes here, you're selling from here. I'm just trying to figure out what everyone else is doing right now, because everyone has their own way of trading. Everyone's trading a lot different to each other. Because on here I get order flow traders, like It's Me G. They trade in order flow. Then I have ICT, I have SMC, I have market structure traders. I got people who are trading strictly from indicators, EMA crossovers. Nice order block in the 1 minute. This could run up 777, lucky number. He was in a buy, no? Right, which order block are you looking at? 777. Because I don't really trade order blocks from 1 minute. I don't do order blocks from 1 minute. Yeah, he's in a buy, but Sierra's in a buy, but he's got a sell limit as well. So if price comes into a certain area where he likes, price might start dropping, it will trigger the sell limit and price will start going back down. 906 rejection. 906. This rejection wick here. So you're calling this one out, right? 777 lucky number is saying this one here. Is that the order block you're looking at? 777 906 rejection from 109 UST. I can't figure out what price is doing and what price is trying to tell me. I really can't figure out what's going on at the moment. Is my music still running? Music still running. Yeah, man. 109 UTC, my bad. Okay, 777. I can't figure out what you're saying. Like, give me the prices, as in what's the price down here on the right hand side? The 27912, 27908, 27892. Like, what's the price where you're saying that order block is? Are you looking at this area here? So are you looking at this area? 4,000 likes from Sierra. Sierra killing it. Is gonna take that low and either react or keeps going. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what he's trying to do, you know. So you're saying there. Is that the area you're saying? Okay, cool. I get you. I get what you're looking at now. Okay. See, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I've got so many different types of traders here. So many different types of traders. So many people looking at different things. Okay, let's have a look at this sound. Can you get this sound? Yes, Sierra! Sierra's killing it with the likes. Hit 5,000 likes, Sierra. Smash it. Smash it. You got 100 likes left and you're going to hit 5,000 likes. Woo! Sierra's coming into some profits and getting excited. Sierra's hit 5,000 likes. Thank you very much, Sierra. That's where I would probably place an order to. It's me, G. Okay, cool. So on your order flow system, what you're looking at, do you look at the DOM where you're placing orders, or you just trading straight from TradingView and looking at price action? Or is there some other order flow system that you're looking at? Sierra's just smashing it with the likes, killing it. That's mental though. I'm liking the engagement, guys. I'm loving the engagement. All right, Sierra, listen to me, mate. How much money profit are you in right now? Triple seven, thank you for the 100 likes. Thanks for the heart. Thank you for the heart, Sierra. All right, listen, Sierra, just put in the comment section, how much money are you in profit in, because your trade is actually playing out right now. Wow, thank you. It's me, G. Thank you. You're awesome. Oh, thank you so much. Sierra making $100 profit. That's why Sierra's killing it, because Sierra's knowing he keeps tapping a like right now, because he knows that he's in some sort of area where his trade has played out. Go on, man. Kill it, man. You're on a funded account, so keep killing it, man. It held with that order, with that new order block as well at 9:15. Yeah, this area here, yeah. Triple seven, loving his order blocks. I don't trade order blocks on the 1 minute time frame, but yeah, it's worked out today, so that's good. It probably works out all the time. I just don't look at them. I don't pay attention to them. But I can see why you entered in this area here, because on the Fibonacci retracement true, if you look from swing high to the swing low, price come right back down, just tapped into the 50% area. That order block that you're saying was on the left, yep, and price pushed up. That could have just been one trade in and out, and it would have been good. This is why, guys, this is why I say journaling is very important. Because, okay, at first you can journal, that's fine, but then later on, obviously, when you start getting experience and you know exactly what you're looking for, then you can just stop. You can stop journaling. You don't really need to journal, because then you know exactly where your trades are, what you're looking for, and what you're gonna enter into. But if you're new and you just want to keep your memory fresh, just journal your A+ setups, and then just keep going through them over and over again. Even if you get a screenshot of it, or if you just do a video recording of yourself with a screen recording, just talking about your trade, and then just go over it over and over again, and then slowly you start figuring out what trades you're looking for. And then at that point, you never need to journal ever again. The 5 minute 836. Okay, so let's have a look at your 5 minutes. A7 Medinho, killing it. Sierra, killing it. 836. Okay. So you're looking about this area here. So you're saying price will probably react from this area down here on the 5 minute time frame. See, this is what I was waiting for on the 5 minute. Okay, we had the break of structure. Once price came into this area, I wanted price to tap into this fair value gap and continue pushing, but it never gave us a retracement. So then this price came in around 50%, started pushing up, broke structure to the upside, and we've just been chopping around about here now. Yeah, that's why I'm scalping the 1 minute. Okay, I get what you mean. A7, your live is really relaxing. Why don't you go live earlier? I do. I go live at 8:30. What do you mean live? Really relaxing. Why don't you go live earlier? What do you mean live earlier? Why is my camera looking a bit blurry? You're like later on in the day, closer to New York session, or you're saying earlier on, like Asian session? Right, Sierra, killing it. Sierra, have you hit take profit? Or you trailing your stop loss, pushing up? Sierra's just going on a mad one today. As in pre-London and London. Yeah, I'm in pre-London and London right now. I was in from 8:30 a.m. I'm usually in. I can come in earlier around about 8 o'clock, but I drop my son off to school, so I come in at 8 a.m. So I usually miss the pre-London trades. I sometimes usually catch some good ones, so I take some quick trades on my phone. Sierra's made $200 profit today. Make sure you keep entering your A+ trades, okay? Because that's why you're gonna keep making money. Thanks for the heart. It's me, G. Thank you so much. But Sierra, make sure you're going to keep going for your A+ trades just like that, what you did today. Sierra's hit his take profit. Nice one. That was a good one, Sierra. What Apex accounts are you on? Are you looking for your next entry already? Okay. Which Apex accounts are you on? Are you on? Is it a 25k, 50k, 100k? Okay, so your next trade, you're looking at this area here. I'm looking to see if I can catch some sort of reversal, but I'm waiting. Sierra, you look like you're, are you scalping? Are you scalping or intraday trading? Okay, okay, nice one. Sierra's in a happy mood. See, there's a lot of noise on these 1 minute charts. And then as soon as you start going into the higher time frames, the noise starts clearing up. So Sierra wants to take a buy from around this area down here. 934. That's a 2 minute. Let's see what the 5 minutes doing. 5 minutes here. I can't believe after I should have entered from here. That would have been perfect for me as well. But that came right below the 50% area. So got a 2 minute. That's good. 2 minute. And this one is 5 minute. This one. Okay, so okay, got it. 9:30 is a new order block. Might come touch it, but not sure. Yeah, same. Maybe at 6 a.m. we'll see the same move as yesterday. Get ready, Sierra. Check from yesterday 6 a.m. That's right. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That it's a danger zone, isn't it? That's why I've marked it out red. If I go over to the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, this area here, we're getting a lot of rejection from this area. That's why I was looking for some sort of reversal. But it'd be just crazy if price has retraced and it just carried on pushing up. So you can even have that area broken and closed into. We might not have a rejection today. It all depends. We might even get rejection. If we do, we'll get a big one. But it all depends on the opening, doesn't it? But we have got news at 1:30 a.m. then, but that's European news. Then we got another news at 3 p.m. That's GMT time, by the way. Hi guys, we've got quite a few people on. Who's trading with us today at the moment? Is anybody trading? Anyone made any profits? All right, invest fair value gap. If that closes below this area, if it respects this area here, then it looks like Sierra's tapped into a trade again. Yeah, because Sierra was looking around about here. So check, yes, I think it's going up to 27965 and then going down as a rocket. Possibly. Need to just see what happens here. Price is just so shit at the moment. Are you in? Are you in your trade again, Sierra? You're looking to buy it, yeah? 9,700 likes. Sierra is in. Sierra's just killing it. 200 more likes and you just smashed the 10,000 likes, my brother. Right, so that from there to there, then you had a retracement, so then that would be from there to Would I say that's a break of structure? I don't know. Then you'd say from there to there. Just close this now for now. Put this up there. Okay, so I'm just waiting to see what price is going to do right now. It's me, G Sierra, good at multitasking, liking and trading. Yeah, he's like this. He's on his phone tapping away and then using his mouse or whatever, entering a trade. He's like this. Killing it. Sticking his sell limits on and then just smashing his phone. 10,707 likes. Go on. Not quite sure what price is doing right now. Clear break of structure to the upside though. Clear. Whoa. Clear break of structure to the upside. It's just that we're in that danger zone. Don't want to trade from that danger zone. Sierra's gonna make another $100 here right now.
Order filled.
Right, who's trading with us right now? Sierra music. Is my music gone off or is it still on? Oh, the music's still on. Guys, are you getting the echo of my voice in the background? Or is it just me? Set a few trades and close my laptop. Stresses me out watching the trades. Yeah, tell me about it. I hate that as well. No echo and no music. Okay. 1 second. Alright, is the music back now? Okay, that's cool. Well, I'm gonna go nap. I traded London sesh as well. Time to sleep. Yeah. Cool. It's me, G. Get some sleep. I enter with 3 micros. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Just take your time with it. want to check is the music's back, the mic's back, should be okay. iShareX97 saying yes, it's going up. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look what price is doing. It's just chopping at the moment, so it can be flying up soon, but it is chopping right now. So this is scalping what Sierra is doing. Yeah, it can be scalping, because scalping, it just depends, because intraday trading can be from a few minutes to a few hours, half an hour, 50 minutes, few hours in the days, or you can do scalping, which is from a few seconds to a few minutes. So if you do a few seconds to a few minutes, that's scalping. Then if you go from a few minutes to like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, then that comes into day trading. Not sure what fucking price is doing right now. It's pissing me off. I can't find a clear entry neither. I don't want to enter from just fucking anywhere. Come on, do something. Hey, whatever works for you. If you're making money from it and you know how to scalp properly, that's a good thing. A lot of people lose money in scalping because they oversize, over leverage, and just blow their accounts really fast. It's me, G. So if scalping, you buy big lots and stop in short time. Yeah, but then also you can be risking a lot more as well. So if you get stopped, you lose a lot more money as well. But that all depends on your trade, because Sierra, he's scalping with risk of $100 and a higher and a bigger stop loss. So that's another thing that's in his favor as well.
Order filled.
I have an ATM strategy, 50L and 100W. Another 200s. Well done. Well done. Sierra's got the $400 in. Well done, Sierra. I'm still waiting for my setup. My setup's still not coming at the moment. I'm telling you to look at what's going to happen at 6 a.m. Yeah, you're right. You did say that. So let's see what happens at 6 a.m. Yesterday, 6 a.m. Sorry. You reckon we're going to have a sell-off? Sierra's just killing it, making money today, Sierra. You've made $400 on one account. Now tell me, are you copy trading that on other accounts, or is it just on one account? Okay, that's good, that's good. You can scale up slowly but surely. I have another one in my funded futures. Wow, wicked. Look, now price is doing some weird shit again. Never thought about copy trading on multiple accounts. That's interesting. Yeah, it's very, very good. You make, just say you make $200 on one account, you copy trade it against 5 accounts, that's $1,000 there.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, let's see what price is looking to do. Yeah, the market is somehow doing some weird shit, but we still got to just wait for our market structure shift to see if we're going to get some sort of reversal, what I've been looking for all morning.
Order filled.
Some weird bearish push down at the moment.
Order filled.
Maybe wait for some sort of retracement. Because we're in a bullish uptrend, it's just so hard to try and find an entry for a reversal. It's not time yet, yeah. Maybe if price comes into this area here, put my stop loss up there and then try and run it down. But again, it's doing some weird shit. Maybe like that. But I've got to wait for the retracement. That's when I can get an entry in. I may take that entry there. But all depends on how these candles are closing. Because these are very choppy still. Right now it's doing some cleaning and taking stop losses. That's right. But then if it's taking stop losses, is it going to continue pushing up, you reckon? Is it going to continue on a bullish run if it's just taking stop losses from these lows? Is it just coming into this area to just pump back up again?
Order filled.
Who's trading with us, guys, right now? Sierra's still killing it with the likes button. Who's trading live right now? Yeah, Sierra's killing it. It all depends, right? What he's doing around this area right now, really. But those bearish candles gave up some sort of signal that going down, and then we're probably going to be retracing before we have another push down. But then again, it all just depends. All depends what's happening around about here. Four minutes. Yeah. It's moving really shit though, the prices. Very choppy. The arrow's just killing it, man, with 17,909 likes. Wow. I feel it is taking Asia highs from yesterday before it drops. That's my opinion. Come on, let's have a look at your opinion then. Let's have a look at the 1 hour time frame. So you're looking at these Asian highs from the night before. Okay. Possibly it can. Possibly, but to be fair, it was very close. It was very close to the Asia previous day Asia highs anyway. So yeah, very close there anyway. Either that or price just keeps dumping. Either way, I'm not finding a fucking good entry right now. And price continues to chop around as usual. Guys, who's trading Nasdaq at the moment? I'm on a sell. Yes, man. Sierra's killing it. Sierra's on a sell now.
Order filled.
Sierra, didn't you want to wait for some sort of retracement into this area? I'm currently waiting for a sell myself. But I don't know what he's gonna do, man. Right, let's see if I can take a win and break even, or because I'm looking to sell from this area here. So let's see if I can break even or if I take another loss today. Let's have a look, guys. Come on, man. What the hell is it doing? Is it going to go anywhere near tapping us in? Because then I want to ride it down at least to here. Right, let's see what price does. Samuel's just joined. What we looking for here? Just about to pull some charts up. Okay, lol cake. Danny, how's the trader going? One loss today so far, guys. One loss today so far. The Samuels. Okay, what I'm looking for is some sort of retracement here. And then a sell-off, but a big but is we are on an uptrend and we're breaking structure to the upside. So I'm looking for some sort of reversal, but I can't actually find the right reversal that I'm looking for. So I'm waiting for some confluences, and once I get the right confluences, then I'll enter into my trade. But right now I can't, because we are pushing up and this didn't go into a good price where I liked. So either way, I can't be entering. Okay, might miss it, but grab some confluences and I'll be back with you guys. Yeah, that's cool, man. But if you take a loss, don't blame me. You're trading RTH. US later. RTH? What do you mean RTH? I don't know that term, sorry. I am like I'm nearly 2 hours over my trading time just because I can't find a trade at the moment. I'm looking for an entry and I can't find a damn entry. So this area here, price is kind of respecting, so I'm not sure what's happening here. So that's why I've not taken an entry yet. No, I'm off to tune into the charts and grab some myself. All love, brother. Yeah, cheers, Samuels. I'll catch you later, man. Take care. Have a good one. So 2:30 UK time. US Open is the RTH. Oh, okay. Yeah. I won't be here at 2:30 opening time because I got to pick my son up from school. So yeah. I'm not sure if it's respecting this area. Oh, if it's gonna break right past it. Price has been moving so shit today. Yeah, first hour is mad anyways. 3 to 3:30 is where it's at. Okay. Yeah, I might jump on about 3 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. See what's happening around about that time. There's no A plus trade. There's literally no A plus trade. It's just been taking loss after loss after loss. Well, one loss. 21,000 likes. Sierra's just killing it. Sierra's just happy because he's made some money today. So he's just smashing it with the likes. Yep. That's FX. Yes, news at 3 p.m. Yep, that is something that I went through with the guys earlier. The economic calendar. Some people use Forex Factory. I use fxstreet.com. Works perfect for me. So economic calendar. 1:30 p.m. we got the European news. So this tends to sometimes move the markets as well. So if you're a prop firm trader, just don't trade 1 minute before or after, or 5 minutes before or after the 1:30. But where's the economic news gone? Wow, prices just dropped. Hey, someone just followed. Thanks for following AH Ramen. Was it AH Ramen? Is it you? Let me see. We're getting quite a lot of people following. Hey, what's happened to fxstreet.com? Just when I said it works perfect for me, I jinxed it. There's like a 1 to 2 A plus trade a week or a month if you're lucky, bro. Haha. Yo, don't know, for my strategy that I trade, I catch fair few A plus trades.
Order filled.
Okay. Okay, sorry guys, the news is back. Okay, here it is. So we've got 1:30 p.m. news event. That's a European news event, but still can affect the markets. And we've got 3 p.m. 3 p.m. is the one. So if you're trading prop firms, 1 minute before, 1 minute after, do not place a trade if you're on prop firms. Just do 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after. And then if you're trading personal account, yeah, that's fine. That's not a problem. But make sure you're just protecting your capital as always. Fair for mine, honestly, I get one a week if I'm lucky. Lol, got to take those B scalps instead. Yeah, you got to take them. You got to take them. And it's all probability at the end of the day. So if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, you know your win rate ratio anyway. So yeah, so you're all good.
Order filled.
Yeah, I can't find anything at the moment. Market's just shit. Tradeify and Apex let you trade news. Just be careful. Yeah. That's it. Just be careful. If you are on a prop firm that lets you trade news, then just be very, very careful. But I'm struggling. Sierra's caught 2 trades, 2 scalps. I could have entered as well, but he's gone on to make $400 with his. And that's very good. So Sierra went for 1 to 2 trades. He went for a 1 to 2. Nice one. Guys, who's trading with us right now? And Sierra smashing the like button. Look, 23,000 likes. Trading futures, 601 likes. Wow, thank you so much, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
So annoyed. I can't actually see something. Come on, guys. Come on, markets. Give us something. Give us some sort of trade or an opportunity to trade from. Because right now, the markets are just moving shit. ES as well. Just crap. Oh, look at gold. Gold is just dumping. Can get some sort of retracement here, but no, because we've had a sell-off here. Can go into this area here and continue selling off. The gold can. Are you in? No, I'm not in a trade at the moment. Are you in a trade? Are you in a trade at the moment, Sierra? I'm very careful where I'm entering. Very, very, very careful. Because I'm risking a little bit more, I'm just careful where I'm entering, because I don't want to just blow my accounts like I lost that trade this morning. I don't want to lose another one today. Because then that puts your psychology into, okay, I want to oversize, over risk, over leverage, size up, and scalp something big. And then you in danger of blowing the account. So I'm just trying to control my emotions as well at the moment. Let's have a look what that looked like on the 5 minute. The 5 minute just looks horrible as well. 2 minute looks horrible. Look at the 3. Yeah. Yeah. So it came into the 786 area and started pumping. Are you in? I'm in. Okay, what are you in on? Are you on a sell? Or are you buying? You're in a sell. Okay. Hope he's in a buy. It's me, G. It's me, G. Look at that. Sierra, are you selling or buying? Okay, so that's where I did have my sell limit on earlier. Let's have a look at what price is doing from that area. I did have my stop loss about there. That's where I was looking, but let's see. Let's see if the trade played out. Let's see if that trade played out, because that would have broke me even and brought me into some sort of profits as well. So yeah, let's have a look what it's doing.
Order filled.
Let's see what that would have done. How it would have played out. Tap me back in. Trading futures, 1,102 likes. Let's go. Hope he's in a buy. Oh, that made me laugh. Who's trading right now? Let's have a look. So Sierra, where is your sell from? Where are you selling from? If you're in a sell, where did you sell from? Where's your stop loss? Yeah, I'm not liking the way the markets are moving today. I'm just hating the choppiness of the markets. Awful, awful. Buyers are just stepping in all the random places today where they don't need to be stepping in. Sierra 27939. So 27. Wow, your stop loss is. Okay, 1 second. 27939. So stop loss 27955. Okay. 27955. So your stop loss is around about here, above those highs. Okay. Take profit 27920. 27920. Okay, you take profits down here. Okay, so you're going for another 1 to 2. It's almost at your area. You need some clean, strong, bearish candles to close. Can get good closure on this candle. That look nice. If this one can keep pushing, that'd be great as well. Price is just fucking horrible, man. What's wrong with it?
Order filled.
Doing 1 to 2 ratio, not 2 to 1. Sierra, man. Sierra, what are you using? Are you using something? Your finger must be tired, bro. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what market structure's doing. It's mad because you can't just enter a trade like this. Rock proud. Sierra killing it. Sierra's getting rejection from his area right now. Sierra doesn't want this candle to close around about here. Yeah, trading's a nightmare right now. Just probably some of the worst price action that I've sat through for the longest.
Order filled.
All right, I would want some sort of rejections from these areas down here. I think that's what would be good for me. Nice rejection candles. And then a clear push to the downside. Then we can probably start looking for some sort of trade. Yeah, that's not looking too good. All about, this is all a chase to make money. That's what this is. Everyone's chasing candles to make some dough. Okay, what's everyone doing right now? Let's have a look. J2 Wavy, Co, TradeZella, It's My G, Co, Daz FX. What's happening right now, guys? Anyone in luck at the moment with their trades? Very choppy market on the game because the market looks shit. Yep, that's true. The market does look shit. The market's proper shitty right now. Thing is, when you're trading, and if you're on prop firms or whatever you're trading, you shouldn't trade stressed. Like, okay, enter your trades, but don't like start chasing your trades, going mad, going crazy. If you win it, you win it. If you lose it, you lose it. It's fine. If you know what you're doing, you can. It don't matter if you lose trades. You can just keep coming back from it again and again and again. So it's not a problem. Yara still going on a mad one. 30,000 likes, Sierra. You crazy, man. You crazy. Sierra just tapping likes, yeah, because he's like, come on, price, come down, come down, come down, come down. It's a massive rejection. That's what we need. We are going to pass those 51k likes. Oh my god, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's pass all the likes we can then. Let's go. Let's go mad. 30,407. It's me, G. I've set some orders, closed my laptop, and I have other work to do. Hopefully we'll be back on the charts at 3 p.m. Well, it's me, G. Cool. Close your laptop, put your sell limits in, and then yeah, you've done your analysis, so you know what's right, and see if your trades hit. If not, it's all good. Come back another day, you analyze, but hopefully your trades come in. So I'll catch you later. Happy trading, and I'll see you tomorrow or whatever day you're going to be online. I'm on every single day, 8:30 a.m. GMT London session. But it just depends, because sometimes I end up staying on longer. Like today is 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. But because I ain't found nothing, a decent trade to trade from, I'm just waiting on the charts, waiting for a perfect setup or something to trade from. So I'm still waiting. I'm only going to be waiting probably another half an hour or so, and then I'm out of the charts myself. And then I'd probably like, yeah, can't be asked, trade it myself. Unless this gives us some massive rejections to the downside, then maybe I may look for a trade. But until then, I need some big rejection and some nice confluences to enter from. I'm still listening to your live tunes while doing other work. They're relaxing, isn't it? The music's relaxing. Yeah, I'm not sure. I keep getting some sort of echo, but yeah, not sure why. Sierra's just killed it today with all those likes. That's mad. Yeah guys, so if anyone has any comments or questions or anything they'd like to leave in the comment section, just leave your questions and I'll try to answer as much as I can. If you're a new trader, yeah, put in your questions. And if you're an experienced trader, come and trade along with us, make some money like Sierra's been killing it on the charts today. I'm live normally 8:30 a.m. GMT to 9:30 a.m. GMT, and then usually I'm out, but everyone starts joining us around about 9:30 a.m. and then I end up staying on longer. And now today, because we've had a lot of interaction, by everyone. I can't just leave everyone hanging, so I've just stayed on the charts, and now it's 11:30. I'm currently gone over by 2 hours, and he's smashing 31,702 likes. That's just crazy. So yeah, just over 2 hours. So I've been on here for 3 hours trying to find an entry, and we ain't found a single entry, guys. That is just mad. It's been a banging live. It's me, G. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm just chilling with some like nice chilling music, so I just let it carry on. But I don't fake to people and say, oh yeah, look, I'm making this much money, everyone should follow me, and yeah, take my signals. None of that. It's just real. It's just me being real. I'm trading, everyone's trading along with me, and that's it. Yo, you just got stopped out, Sierra. Sierra, did you just get smashed out? Sierra, have you stopped pressing the like button? Yes, sir. How much did you lose on that trade? You didn't oversize and over leverage, did you? $100. Yes, good lad, good lad. So you're in profit of $300 still. So we got to see what the next candle is doing. Horrible that was, and that was not even no news entry or nothing.
Order filled.
That was just simply horrible price action. Just went out to sweep some highs up there. Terrible. Just need this fair value gap to get inversed, and then price continue pushing down. But we don't even know if that's going to happen now, because price is just moving absolutely fucking disgusting right now. Still great mornings work. Well done. Thank you very much. It's me, G. Thank you so much. Yo, you're crossing us to 51,200 likes. And you do know, once that crosses 51,200 likes, that's the goal is going to reset to like 100,000 likes. EUS some Sammy 44. EU some Sammy 44. Well done. $80 profit. That's what we like to hear. Nice one. $80K profit, man. Oh, not $80. $80K profit. Well done, my brother. Look, this is what you need, a sound. $80,000. Okay, now tell us, what pair were you trading? Were you trading Forex, commodities, futures? What instrument, symbol, or pair were you trading? and Bitcoin. Nice one. Goldman and Bitcoin. Well done. Were you trading on prop firms or was it a personal account? At first I was like, you made $80. I was like, okay, well done, that's good for you. But my man turned around and said, yo, I just made £80,000 or $80,000 profit on a personal account. Wow, well done to you. Smashing it. What was your risk and which trade did you enter on? That is some crazy money, man. Was that the higher time frame you're trading? Or surely you can't be scalping to make the 80,000. That's just fucking ridiculous, brother. Killing it. See, this is what I'm saying. We always have different types of people joining us. We got new traders, we've got learner traders, we've got beginner traders, we got advanced traders, we got man like EU Sammy 44 making 80 to 60k. I enter one in low and makes me 60k. Wow, these mans are just killing it, killing it. A man like me sitting here just trading prop firms. This is what you do, man. You trade prop firms, you build enough capital to trade your own personal account. That's how we do. And last was 10 minutes ago and makes me 20k. You some Sammy 44. Are you lying to us? Or are you actually killing it on the next level like that? Sierra, thank you so much for all those likes. Come on, man. You just made my like goal go up to like 102,400. Wow, we're on 50% and we've done 53,000 likes. Man, that's crazy. 30,000 likes came from Sierra himself and he's made profit today. So let's go. No, I'm not lying. No. I know you're probably not lying because I've had a few advanced traders come up on here and make a lot of money, like ridiculous amounts of money. So well done to you. Well done to you, my brother. Really not happy with the market, the way it's moving. It's chopping around like shit. I just fucking hate the way it's moving right now. Really pissing me off. Now I can't enter into a trade. So we've got about 20 minutes left. Do I want to continue or shall I just call it a day now? I've only entered one trade today, guys. One motherfucking trade I've entered in only. Bro, I'm on the way, man. I'm on the way to making as much money as you are. With God's grace. As long as I stick to my game plan, I will be making that much money too. Thank you for the positive vibes. Have a great day. You have a great day. Oi, like this, like and follow me so we can catch up and have a good chat about trading as well, because you seem to be doing some big numbers and it'd be nice to catch up with you to see what you're doing different to me. Amazing, brother. But anyway, right now I'm gonna get off. I'm not really catching nothing. Sierra, make sure you followed. Yeah, I think you have already, and make sure you catch up with me every single day, 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. GMT, but we always end up staying on longer like I have. You Sammy 44, nice one. Catch up with you later, guy. Thank you for following. If I only made just 8k in a year, I would be happy. It's me, G. You can do that. You can make 8k in a month. What are you talking about? You'll do it, trust me. Anyway, ending it all with positive vibes. Hope you all have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Whatever you do, happy trading. Don't oversize, over leverage, force trades. No FOMO, no revenge trading, no fear of missing out. No, I'm creating entries that are not there. Just enjoy it. And I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. And we'll talk about our trades tomorrow. Yeah? Peace out, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. By the way, before I leave you guys, yeah, actually I won't. I'll share it with you guys tomorrow. I'll share it with you guys tomorrow. There's no rush today. There's no rush. See you later, guys. Take care. Bye.